Happy Saturday, you all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy if you're new here, and I am starting to get into making some journals for Christmas, and I've pulled out all of my different ephemera and decorations and things like that, and I'm going to get them organized because they've just been in a big heaping pile. So I got some of these plastic bins down here, and I'm going to try to go through and organize these, and I will take you along on my progress. So first I'm going to do some sorting, and then I'll jump back on with you all after I do some. I've sorted out the piles. Down here I have some ribbons, fabric, and scrap piece of paper there. And then up here I have envelopes with Christmas stamps. I want to cut that part out. Here's some tiny scraps. Here's a bunch of like little ephemera pieces. Here's some more little wooden ephemera pieces and a chipboard. Some other bling. And then like some little bells, candy cane buttons. And then I have a bunch of different Christmas bags and envelopes. Here's some like a vintage book and calendar pages and a little golden book. And then I have some Dollar Tree Christmas cards. Here I have a big old container full of cards that I need to go through. Not all of them are Christmas, so I want to sort out just the Christmas. Then I have a bunch of different stickers here and some doilies and some Christmas notepads. So now I want to try to figure out what I want to store together and how I want to store it. Alright, I've made some progress on my sorting, and I wanted to show you. So in this tin I have the different little trims that I purchased, and then I have just some leftover pieces of ribbon from different Christmas presents and stuff like that gone by. I also have some vintage Rick trim, which I think is really pretty. So that's that one. And then in this tub here, I've placed a lot of my different stickers and things like that. So these are items that I purchased last year, and I just think they're so pretty. I love the bling on them. These would be really cute on tags and tucks and things like that. These here, and then these gems. I love the cardinal birds. And then some more of those lights. I have some nutcrackers. These are puffy little shakers. You shake them and can you hear that? So they have stuff inside. So I think they're really pretty. And then here's some other shakers. And then some puffy ice skating stickers, some house stickers, and then just some more of the same in here. So I put all those in here. Now this isn't all of my Christmas stickers, so what I want to do is locate the rest of them and put them in here. I don't think I have that many more, but I just kind of want to get that together. So that's the second tin. This one already had a bunch of scraps, so I might leave this in here. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this yet or not. And then in this tin here, in this tub, these are just little pieces of ephemera that I put in here. Is that lighting okay? Yes, that's right. These are, I got these at Target last year. And I thought that would be fun, something fun to do, so not sure what I'm gonna do with them. I made this little snowman. I was playing around on my Cricut, and I think he came out kind of cute. So I might try to make some more of those this year. There's just a bunch of other little wooden Christmas decorative pieces. I think these would be cute on spine dangles, all kinds of different pieces. And this is a Christmas tree I cut out on the Cricut as well. I think these buttons are really pretty. They're poinsettias. And then these are little ornaments. I had a fiber optic tree that I would hang these on, and it finally bit the bullet, and it doesn't work anymore, and it was starting to look kind of old. So I thought, wouldn't these be fun to use as part of spine dangles? Look at that cute little Santa. I mean, these things are probably, I mean, at least 20 years old. I've had them a long time. And these little Santas, I got them last year after Christmas. They're so cute. Little die cuts. Some more little wooden pieces. It's always good after Christmas. I go and try to snag up stuff on sale. These little bells will be cute on spine dangles, and these candy canes and snowflake buttons. So those are all buttons. And I love these, you know, Christmas bulb light buttons as well. And then I have some just red and green buttons, striped buttons. For spine dangles, I have these cute little stocking made out of canvas. So lots of fun stuff to put into my Christmas journals. These little tags, and here's some other pretty little tags. Some little cards, tags. Some of those are vintage and some aren't. Some more fun little stickers. And then I have, this is a vintage cute little card, and that's sweet. And then a bunch of vintage Christmas postcards. Can't wait to put those into some journals. So that's that tub for now. And this tub, this is a bunch of items that my children made when they were little. Like here's a little Christmas. So I'm gonna put these into my journals. Look at that Santa. He's lost a leg. It's been a rough go for him. But I'm gonna try to put these into my journals. I think that would be fun to incorporate them. And then this tin over here, I have just some cute little bags. I got those at Michael's last year. Some red bags, and then some wrapping paper. And then I have these cute little Santa packs. I think I got those at Michael's last year. Here's some really pretty images I got from some old calendars, or actually recent calendars. And then I have these doilies here. Love those. And then just some more kind of stickers and things like that, and wrapping paper. And then the last, oh, this one's heavy. The last tin I have is this one here. So these are all the envelopes I have with stamps from last Christmas I'm going to cut off. And then these are a bunch of different like Christmas notepads, and then just a bunch of different Christmas cards. that I think I could really use either the card itself. Like, look at that card. That's pretty cool. Or cutouts from the card, pretty images. There was another one here. I thought that one was really pretty. That mint color. So I think I have opportunity here. And the envelopes, there's really a lot of really pretty envelopes that I think I could utilize. So I think I'll probably use the envelopes more than the cards, but we shall see. But like that image, look at that card. I think that's a sweet image. And look at that one. So just some fun potential on those. So those are the bins now that I have all my Christmas stuff into. If I have any more Christmas stuff around, I'm gonna put them into these bins. But I think I have the majority of it, so it's pretty good. So I have a pretty good base here for my Christmas journals, and I'm excited to get going on them. So thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. I have tons of videos. I'm still growing my channel, but I've hit over 100 videos now on my channel, so that was a cool milestone for me. So anyway, you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.